And of course, ang ating Ninong, Vice President Stephen Chen. Okay, so, dalawa ang mananalo, isang male and female best dressed.
Okay.
Okay, so, ang mananalo, ang mapapanalunan po niya ay isang Santis basket, isang Honor X7C, at isang 3,000 cash. Okay.
Ulit. Each winner
will receive one Santis basket, Honor X7C, and cash prize of 3,000 pesos.
Okay.
Okay, ang ating male best dressed for tonight is
I love it.
Ay, oo nga. Okay. Tawagin na natin yung female para magkatabi ang ating male and female best dressed. Okay, sino ba ang ating female best dressed? Yell! Fresh from Munchkinland. Alpha ba? Nandito mo ba siya?
Hello, ayan, okay. Pag-aaral si Alpha ba? Ay, just kidding. Palakpakan na naman! Okay, picture!
Palakpakan niyo naman ang ating best dress, of course!